Good morning, everybody. It's Friday morning and it's phonics time. You will need something to write with and something to write on. Are we ready? Let's get going. We're going to learn another special friend today. And the special friend is ng. Ng. Ng, ng, ng. 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 Ng, ng, ng. Now that is quite a tricky sound to say because you've got to use the back of your mouth for that sound, haven't you? Ng. Well done. Let's have a look at some of the pictures that have that sound in them. This sound never comes at the beginning of a word. It's usually at the end of a word. So you've got some baby sheep here and some flowers that have just started to grow. And these all grow in spring. You hear that ng at the end? Spring. Spring. And this boy is learning to sing. Sing. Sing a song. Sing a song. Spring. Brilliant. Can you see the picture? It's a funny picture, that one, isn't it? You've got a cat and this thing on a string. And it's scaring the cat. And he says, oh, thing on a string. Thing on a string. Thing on a string. It's very funny, isn't it? Thing on a string. I'm going to write that sound for you, just so that you can see. Looks like that. Can you see? Ng. Thing on a string. Ng. Same. Thing on a string. Ng. Are we ready? I'm getting faster. Thing on a string. Ng. Fantastic, super spotting there. You did really well. Okay, let's hide it in with the sounds that we already know. Ng. Super speedy, let's go. See if you can see any other special friends that might be in this pile. Remember that one from yesterday? Oops. Oh, we did have that one, sorry. If you see the ng, let's give it a salute today. Ng. Let's hide it. Good. Good. Hide it again. It is. I'll hide it one more time. Oh no, this one. Whoops, don't want to drop anything. Keep looking for it. Where are you? Mrs. Miles is dropping the cards today. Seen ng? You seen it yet? There it is. Ng. Fantastic. Okay, Fred. Let's listen to the words, the sounds that Fred gives us, and let's see if we can put them into words. S, o, ng. S, o, ng. S, o, ng. S, S-O-N-G. S-O-N-G. Song. W-I-N-G. 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 Wing. Wing. Fred's got no wings, has he? B-A-N-G. 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 Bang. F-I-N-G. 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 Thing. Super, brilliant listening. You listened really well there. Let's put balance Fred on there. Okay, you will need your paper and your pencil. And we're going to start with today's sound, which is ng. And remember, because it's a special friend, we try to join them together. Ng. Ng. Thing on a string. Ng. Can you see? Fabulous. Well done. Have a go yourself. Brilliant. Keep going. Make sure yours looks like mine. Brilliant. Can you write qua? Qua. Yesterday's qua. Queen and the umbrella. Can you remember? You have a go at doing it and then I will show you. Qua. Qua. Let's have a look. Can you see? Make sure yours looks like mine. You've got the long plait of the Queen's hair coming down. Can you remember? Fabulous. Okay, let's do shh. Shh. Says the horse to the hissing snake. Shh. We've done that one for a while. Remember which letters? Have a look at mine. Lots of you try to put the h first, and it isn't the h first. It's the s. Okay. There, fabulous. Have a look. Pause the video if you need to. Make sure your sounds look like my sounds. You've got your tall letters and your short letters. Make sure they all look like that. Remember, if ever you need longer, then all you need to do is pause the video. Okay? You can go back to the video and rewind bits that you need to practice with, making sure we're doing it every day. Okay, 3 fingers. Let's write the word bang. Bang. B-A-N-G. Underline your special friend. B-A-N-G. Can you write that down for me? B-A-N-G. Underlining your special friend. B-A-N-G. Are you ready? Shout the sounds out for Mrs. Miles. B-A-N-G. B-A-N-G. Bang. Give yourself a tick if you've got the b, the a, and the ng. Only tick it though if they look like mine. If they don't, correct it, that's fine. Okay, 3 fingers again. Let's do the word sing. Sing. S-I-N-G. Again, S-I-N-G. Write it down, underline your special friends. S-I-N-G. S-I-N-G. Brilliant. Are you ready? Shout out the sounds. S-I-N-G. yourself a tick for s, for I, and for ng. Correct it if you need to. Now, can you remember how to write the I sound? Not the I sound, sorry, the I word. I can see. I am Mrs. Miles. Can you remember how to write that? I'm going to show you. We're going to write some red words. These are our tricky words, the words that we find difficult. I. Looks like this. Can you write that down for me? I. Now that's a word, not a sound, a word, okay? And that's what we use when we're writing sentences. I can see. I am Mrs. Miles. I am cold. I am happy. We use this word I, and it's what we call a red word. It's a tricky word, a difficult word, okay? I'm going to look at another difficult word, and the difficult word is the. The. Now, if I turn this around, we like that because we've learnt that sound. But what's this letter? But it's not saying the, is it? It's saying the. Can you see? There. We like the but not the So we need to remember that when we write it down. The. Can you write the word the for me? The. Keep looking. You're going to use that an awful lot in your writing, that word. These words we use an awful lot when we do our writing. On Monday, I'm going to see if you can write them without me writing it down. Okay, so you need to be practicing I and the. Those are our red words, our tricky words, the words that you can't sound out because the letters aren't making the sounds that we know. Okay, the and I. Well done. Let's go on to our, Fred's fallen down, to our reading now. Pop Fred on there, because when we're doing our reading with our green cards, we're always Fred talking, aren't we? We're always talking like Fred, using our sounds. So the first thing that we do with these words is we find the special friend. We say it, and then we go back to the beginning of the word, and we Fred talk the word. Watch me. Special friend, ng. I'm looking for the dash, the line, ng. Fred talk, b, a, ng, bang. Can you do that? Special friend, Fred talk. Bang. See if you can say the word before I repeat it. Special friend. Fred talk. Sing. Special friend. Look for the dash. Fred talk. Wing. Can you see a special friend in this word? So we just shake our head. Fred talk. Red. Red colour there, can you see? Any special friends? Fred talk. Let's move it a bit closer so that you can see it. Jog. I might go for a jog later. Special friend, there is one. What is it? Good. Fred talk. Wish. Special friend. Fred talk. Chat. Chat, 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 chat. Special friend. Fred talk. Flop, flop, flop. Fred's flopped on my shoulder, flop. Special friend. Fred talk. From. And then we're back to the beginning. Well done. You did really well there. If you need to go back through, you can just go back along the video, okay? I would really like to see, I know some of you are sending videos of you doing your blending. It's really, really important. I hope yesterday, underneath the link for the phonics video, you looked at the writing one with the red bus. If you did that, I'd love to see some pictures of the sentences you've written, okay? So keep practicing your words. Hopefully you've been reading the things that I've sent as well. I sent you all a little book or a little sheet to read. So keep practicing those and keep sending everything on Dojo. You have to be doing your learning every single day, remember? Because you normally be in school, so we've got to pretend that we're in school every day. Well, even though we're at home, sending your work, lots of you are doing brilliant with that. If you haven't, can you start to send your work on Class Dojo for me? All right, everybody. I'll see you on Monday. Have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.